Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download the emulator of FX991ES scientific calculator on our computer system. Please watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to go with this link. I will put this link in the video description below. And after clicking this link, you will reach to this page. This is the Google Drive page, and here I have put the two types of the emulator of the different versions of the scientific calculator. One is casio-fx 570bn and the another version is fx991es calculator. These two are the emulators of the scientific calculator. You can check any one of these. If one version is not supported on your computer, then you can try the another version. Okay, let me just download it just by right clicking on it, and here is the download button. Just downloading, and this is the file. Okay, it is downloading here, and let's click here, or we can just go its folder, show in folder, and here this is the file. Okay, let me just right click it and do the extract here. Okay, this is the zip file, you can extract here. Okay, I have already extracted, so let me just replace. And finally, this is the extracted file here. You can see this is the extracted file, and let's go here, and here you can see the application file. Okay, this is the application file. Just double click on it, and you can easily install this. This is the emulator of the scientific calculator FX570bn plus. Okay, let's download this another version FX991. Let's download just by right clicking. If you right click on this, and then here is the download button. Okay, just downloading. Okay, and let's show in the folder. Okay, and let me just extract this file. This is the zip file. You have to extract it just by right clicking on this file, and here is the extract here. Okay, and the extracted file is, okay, let me source the extracted file. Okay, this is the extracted file here. This is the extracted file, and this is just the fx991es version. Okay, and here is the application file. Okay, and let's double click on this. Okay, and you have to just do the next here. I have already installed the program, so let me just do the repair here. You have to just click the next and install. Finally, it is installed on my machine. Okay, let's do the finish, and let me just open this calculator. Okay, this is the FX991ES plus calculators emulator you can use. Thank you all of you for watching this video.